Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk a bit about the different editing tools that I am using. So currently the tools that I'm using to edit my videos is using this software called DaVinci, right? It's a bit more complex because I needed that kind of functionality to edit the different clips and also adding a few of these animations. So if you're not looking for something too fancy or too complex, right, then this tool that I'm going to share, right, might be the one that you might need for your simple editing purposes, right? And it's called CapCut, okay? So you just need to go over to CapCut.com, which is their website, and I'll put the link in the description below, right? So once you're at the website over here right now, right, you can actually just download it or edit online. So in this example, I'm just going to download the app to show you guys how easy it is to download it. So once you have downloaded the app, just need to install it. While the application is being installed into my computer, right, we can actually go over here to actually create for an account. Okay, so just sign up for free. So we'll ask you to sign up using your email password or either any of these accounts that you have, like Google account, your TikTok account, or even Facebook account, right? So in this example, I will key in an email and also a password. So once you have put in your email and password, just click on to sign up. And then they'll ask you for your birthday, then you can click whatever birthday that you want to put. I'm just going to put a birthday that's not mine, okay? So don't come celebrate your so yeah, so I'm just putting a fake birthday, so don't come and celebrate my birthday on the 2nd of February. Okay, so over here there's going to send you a confirmation email to your to verify that this is actually your email address. Okay, just put in your confirmation code and then click on to confirm. And once that is done, you can actually create your name of the space. So I'm just going to put JX space, right? Then you also can invite people into your space to do work with you. If not, just click on to enter CapCut. Okay, so once you have entered already, right, this is what you probably see, right? So now you can give them some feedbacks so that it helps CapCut to improve their services. But if you just want to skip this, right, you can always click onto the skip on the top right hand corner. Okay, so you should see this interface and that's it, right? This is how it should look like. Very easy, right? So now that you have already downloaded your CapCut application into a desktop, right, that's when you need to sign in to it so that you can use more facilities. Okay, so over the top left hand corner, you can see that there's a sign in button, right? Just click onto it and you can see that there's 4 different methods you can go about to signing in to your CapCut account, right? So either TikTok, Apple, Facebook, or even Google account. Now that I have already downloaded and also signed in, right, this is what you should see, and this is where you can start to create projects and go about to edit your videos. So in summary, this is CapCut, one of the editing tools that is out there in the market that you can use it, right? Personally, I don't use this much because I prefer to use DaVinci. It's a bit more complex, but I needed that complexity because I want to play around and also learn how to do a bit more in-depth video editing itself. Okay, so as always, right, this is just a tool itself. The more important thing is how you can bring out your creativity and make things more fluid and more representative of your personal editing style, right? I think that's where the personality or the style start to come in, and that's where you can actually have more fun playing around. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like it, do remember to like, subscribe, and also share with your friends, right? Okay, so with that, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.